Enough is enough. Bruh, it's time for you to get out of her beta male orbit. For real. Your boy C Nashty with the message from God through my mouth to your ears is on your black screen right now. And you better take heed to the message, cause you know who you are. You know that I know that you know that I know that you are orbiting this little Bitatron, making you a beta male in her orbit. You get what I'm saying? Along with the others. Feel me? And chosen ones, listen, your magnetic energy is so magnetic. You don't understand all the energy you are pulling towards yourself, but you just give it to this to the little peon chick that you are straight losing your mind over. Just like all the other males in her orbit. I'm telling you, and fella, you know it too. You know that this girl is just wasting your time, energy, money, wasting all that when you know you could put that potential into yourself, when you know you could put that potential into a goal that you are trying to accomplish. Huh? Trust me, chosen one. Once you leave her beta male orbit, guess what? You're the one that's really keeping it together. Believe me. Once you leave, oh my God, it all comes tumbling down. That's when you basically shatter the glass ceiling on the AS. Feel me? It's like all the attraction all the other beta males had for her, they lose it because it's like the blindfold comes off of their eyes. You get what I'm saying? And then they start seeing her for the wench that she really is. You get what I'm saying? God damn. Chosen one. Feel me? I've been through it myself. I've been through a couple beta male orbit cycles with some women. Feel me? And I had to really put some stuff into perspective. I had to put into perspective what type of cycles am I reliving with these women? You get what I'm saying? And you gotta ask yourself the question. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, am I in some female's beta male orbit? You get what I'm saying? And it's easy to understand if you are. It's easy to figure out. You know what I'm saying? Is she putting in the same time, energy, and effort that you are putting into her? If not, you're in her orbit. Huh? Is she keeping you friend zoned? Huh? No action, no kissies, no nothing. You're in her orbit. Okay? And I suggest you make a change, because guess what? If you want to stay there and remain in the same cycles of the pits of hell, be my guest. You feel me? Be my guest. Just don't come back to the channel a year later, 6 months later, like, oh, see, Nashty, I should have listened. Feel me? Do yourself the favor. Ladies, I got a video for the ladies coming up next. Y'all need to get out of some of these dudes' little harem of Bichatrons and Tatianas. It's the next video. Swipe right over. One love.